Hello, today in school, when some people typed CMD and then ipconfig they had like this error. ipconfig is not recognized as an internal or external command. It doesn't work at all. So, and I think like other commands wouldn't work too. What's help will work? Yeah, help too. So, how to fix this? The teacher didn't want me to fix that, whatever. So I'm doing a tutorial for YouTube. So it's because the system properties, like environment variables, are not set, like are deleted. So to fix this, we will go Windows R. You click Windows and R, or you can make a shortcut. Both ways will work, and then you type system properties advanced.exe. So, and then properties, sorry, I wrote it wrong, my English is not perfect, and then finish, or you can do the same on the run window. So I'm gonna copy it to not waste time, and it is open now. Now you go to environment variables, and then let's make this window bigger so we see everything. So here you can see a lot of system variables, and then if you need to find the path variable. If you don't have it, you need to create it. So you need to, when you create the new thing, the new variable, you just like type here path, then here you type percent system root percent no, and then like this symbol. I forgot to install English, sorry. So then you type another time system root, copy and paste, then slash I need to get the reverse slash so and then system 32. Now you have path, so it override my actual path, I think. Yeah, whatever. Now you can create all the path things like new system root, and I'm gonna show a screenshot, I think. Yeah, I will show a screenshot with all the stuff you need here. At least on my installation there were like, I'm gonna show it now. So, and this is how you solve the problem, just adding the path into system variables, not user variables in the system. And I think it's solved now, even though yeah, I think you will need to restart first. Yeah, I think you need to restart to changes to apply. Okay, let's try another time if it's solved. CMD. ipconfig. Okay, yeah, it works now. So you need just a restart. Just let's type system properties advanced on the run window, or you create a shortcut. Go to environment variables, create a new. You put like system root without errors, and then this thing, and then another system root, and the backward slash system 32, and you put a name path. So now it's like a little bit more configured. I will look at the video I will put like here, I think, a screenshot on how to do like what are all the correct things that need to be here to work it so it works. So yeah, for now, so it was like the first method. If it didn't work, you can or reinstall Windows, but that implies deleting all data from your drive, or you can write cross Microsoft Image Repair. So I don't know all the commands by memory, so you can search like this by yourself. Great, it's only this. Okay, so first you like need to put, oh, you know what, even faster, you create a new text document, name it repair.bat, for example, then click on edit, and then copy, paste, copy, paste. We're gonna skip this because let's imagine that we have, and copy this, and then we will copy this on the, now you will have file save. So if you can't put .bat, if it doesn't change, you go to File Explorer. I remember there was like even an easier way. Yeah, on View you have 3 buttons here on Windows 10, or in Windows 11 they are here, Show and File Name Extension and Hidden Items. I forgot that it was here. So you rename it text from txt to bat, then you copy all those commands I showed you, and then just run as administrator. Yes, and it will take some time, you just wait till it finishes. I think if you have something wrong, it will this like commands repair your image. Yeah, and if no, if it still doesn't work, reinstalling Windows is the only way, I think. If you can't do even that or whatever, or like first run your antivirus and then do again this, and maybe it helps. But if you have viruses, it's bad. So this process will take a lot of time. This is only like the first command as sfscan now, so I will leave it here because I don't want to wait. So thank you for watching, see you next time.